Next point, force, displacement and work. In the figure alongside, a straight attached to a wooden block on a table is passed over a pulley and tied to a weight. On applying a sufficient weight, the block will be seen to move. Now see, here weight is tie, here wooden box is there, and this is pulley. Which force is being applied here? How can this force is be increased? What will happen on applying a force when we can see that the work is done by a applied force? Suppose we are applying a force from here. अगर हम यहाँ से push करेंगे with the help of pulley, this weight will come upward direction. वो weight है वो upward direction में pull हो जाएगा. अगर हम force इधर से apply करते हैं, then this block goes up to here and this weight is goes on downside. If the block moves forward, we can say that it has been displacement. ये block है जो forward direction में move हो जाएगा, means उसकी direction change हो जाएगी, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Displacement. Due to the displacement, we say that the force has been some work. We can measure this work. We know that work done depends on the force and the displacement. Work is depend on the force and the displacement. The following formula expresses this relationship. Here the formula of work done by the force. Work is shown with the capital W. Force applied to the body. Force is capital F. Multiply by displacement small s of the body that takes place in the direction of the force. Means W is equal to capital W is equal to F multiplied by small s. F means force applied to the body and S means displacement. In the SI system, the unit of the work is joule. Symbol is capital J. While the unit of force is a Newton and the unit of displacement is meter. In the CGS system, the unit of work is ERG.